It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so mesre and there well first time or subscribe na click the notification bell on the so mine oya say latest news be about once ebeka metro say na obesa na trese tie for ye koye ni me beba screen so sisia okay and no that screen so me say this is a pepe mine na we are number na that screen na se no wo betumi afre yen na woni yen atwetwe enkomo betumi afre na woni yen atwetwe enkomo insem bi aba efa eye Ghanaian actress bi na minim say munim na mu ehu ne pen on your screens. Maybe the name might not be that popular, but me say minim ne pan because I've seen a lot of videos from her. Na ne din eye Karima Agoya minim say din no me boni ya ba man boni ya mo fancha me but munya mo ehu pictures na whole screen so no you know, me did say munim ne papa na mu hu ne pen na Karima send me din kakan wo Ghanaian actress na wobabi ababonten through GhanaCelebrities.com your name say GhanaCelebrities.com is owned by the very controversial blogger Chris Vincent. I think he's now a lawyer as well. You know, we're very controversial. One no they back and then my issue ne babonten first. And right, if you have Schwarzenegger, Nick watching the same if you have Schwarzenegger, that very famous MC happened 2 years ago. On one at the bar bonting first. Just say stories are what no at the bar bonting first. I'm a Ghana for ye near you know, and stories are what break, you know. Most of the times are very controversial. But stories na bar bonting and yana ye near you fi say intro. But what they prove e back no Emma ye near you who say the correct. Now this particular story then so no proof of a year rate of sermons not just a court case ni nyama nia abim into no me wo a year rate of sermons no wa ha say maybe the actual na ye nia yat the air course ase na asem ne de the tintin ni tietia ne say a year Karima Agoya wo adamfo bia wo no so a year Ghana ni but adamfo we she's based in London into this particular a year actress eco stress and adamfo ne say one man is na sasika no person wo ditia bills hospital bills ne ba yare no de ne ba to hospital ne nyamantin wo sre no so wontumi amboa na wontumi entia ne ba ne bills no na adamfo wono so adamfo pade sebe se madamfo aba me ho na wo se o me ba yare na se me ko tia hospital bills ne ye hwe me ba ne ma me ne nyamania na at least wo bia wo be ma egie bia wo ye wo bia wonya adamfo pa ana wo yo bia wo mpesa wo be boa onnamfofo but de bia wo pesa wo boa onnamfofo no na wo mo ba baby sa na wo hwe na sa asem no mo ka no ne kra wo be ma nti sa ne friend yi wo mpesa ye be hu ne identity but sa ne friend yi America so wo London based no wo ma no 50,000 Ghana cedis asem we aye ken 3 years ago 2016 NAC here into your man 50,000 Ghana cedis a year 3 years ago. Na wahwe ni mu embra ana time a year Karima yi ahye se bobetua no wahwe ni ma sika yimba o se ase menkre ni ase na wa o se bobetua me afa me hwe ni ma ba me ko bisa o se betia me na afa wo ma me ko ekwa na stories I say dabi asem we there menti ase into watata no chese oba Ghana ni fie na wo Ghana no ene nyama still na chese ye man stories ne nyama na ase ebedane cat obi be se Cat and Mouse Enterprise na chese ikra ene ejamwa into won say ikra de wo hu jamwa no odwane into no Chris Vincent explain matter now say it became a Cat and Mouse Enterprise. Now to the extent say nadamfo no issue Karima yi wo court because nadamfo no say waye de obeye bia wone nkrofo akasa wo mo nim no ni fiefo ne nyama chese waye de obeye bia but for 3 years ni sika yi wonya wono so wo hia ni sika endie se maye de meye bia nam sika no minya de be ya no se meye de mesiu enti no lady no go sue no ena wokosu no Ghana because him say lady way she's based in Ghana Karima wo actress wo Ghana enti no enkofu nim no Ghana enti lady no free London eba Ghana ha say ena wo ba court ena wo be sue no na ever since I was sue no yes Karima yi chese wadane saman yes afei de Ghana de wo nikra na lady no ebise mu say no wahin no na nsem ba ese ebi mo keka ana hunhun a aba ne se wetu kwan afly akọ Canada eno ne nsem a Chris Vincent e dey aba say she's currently hiding in Canada. Na notice of claim no notice of claim no lady na was your court no koji notice of claim no but the tale Karima yi ne dan ho e wo Ghana ha se nti no wo bia atwemu a ano wo no ankasa nso oba obehun se we de ye de mi akokot nti no what the notice of claim no akotale Karima yi ne dan a e wo Ghana ho. Na in summary no the tenten in the theater ne say was seeking for judgment of 71,000 Ghana cedis. Me the kind catcher says he cannot the man a year lady no 50,000, which is 500 million. Now Sisian was seeking for 71,000 because or say Emre Apaho Sasikano Sebe or the Koye Jumebia Nagasi Sebre interest a basso into your no calculating interest a bosso say Sisiano 150,000 nibium na lady no entiano 71,000 Ghana cedis. Into just the amount borrowed plus interest. Now it's here for no any sema Accra High Court in April ton and wakwaji a year the notice of claim no in April ton but still lady no it's no name sema Accra High Court wakoye wo it's here for chewadwen comment box na nkrofo can say Karima yi sebi woni bi obi na ko beba betia o intino wo ye na danfo a mesre na kenye se wo de kokot ni nyama se ni aye kan fama nyame o hwa asem we asem e de manyame che wadwen comment box ni motie for che wadwen comment box no but se na bi din kan ka che no me wo notice of claim no wa ha say na very legal say ye ne nim say lawyers ne de wo mu use mo profile ya na yan law school no ya na yen sheda entiasie papa. But me try say me read if you etias you antias you cry at least one or two things be there etias you now. I say on 28th of January 2019, a motion on notice to sign summary judgment under order 14 of CL 47/04 was filed by plaintiff hearing. The reliefs sought as follows. Intino media sa order 14 of the plaintiff hearing in Yamano. The metiase, and I mean, mentiase no right, but the metiase from this, they say, reliefs are a yo nipa what they are some nako courts no. The war pre se court embuano enyeno and no niebe bon hunde runo. Now I say 1. Recovery of the sum of 31,206 Ghana cedis and $3,100 US and 450 pounds. Defendants by the plaintiff and applicants. Not to say Sikano put the was it what per recovery because MC Sikano one family boom back or Botiane kakran emano intino or the boss will say first or man 31,206 Ghana cedis. We no sanso bemano MC 3,100 and 450 a year pounds intino 1 recovery not to say first or say court M1 na one jisa sikana what the man in na 2 or say interest on the various sums stated above at the going commercial bank lending rate for October 2016 to date of final payment. That to say offer interest into so at the rate and then say what jibusia and I say yanka say at the rate October embra wo this kind of man no 2016 wo jibusia ewo eye banker senior Bank of Ghana wo mobusia rate no etino yenfa interest into so at that same rate into Australia bank court no say court enfa sa interest into so 3 or say cost including solicitors fees not to say one no ni pakono dey asem na court no obviously the lawyers ebeji sika free ne ho intino sika the lawyers eji free wono ne ho no yenfa nka eka na eye Karima yi entuama no because enye Karima na go fa asem no enye dey court na this particular relief there very common e wo Ghana ha say obi ade na nipa kono e de wo court court ema judgment ya court etumi sanso ka say nipa kono ni sika abotia ya bo de ba court no wo nipa kono ye ne tia ema no intino this one there I think it is very normal from what and now from a lot of cases I've heard no this is very normal. I see The written statement of claim in the action has been duly served. The defendant has filed notice of appearance, which is on the record. I say on 26th of February 2019, the application under consideration was served on the lawyer for defendant. But as today, 4th of April 2019, no process has been filed in opposition. Instead, a letter has been written requesting for an adjournment. In effect, counsel failed to show up and the defendant also failed to attend the hearing. The request for adjournment is unreasonable and has therefore not been granted. This court placing reliance on order 36 rule number 1 of blah 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 for say baby I connect there yeni ayatin sem na say one appear e court but another nsema e da ho tre wadwen e comment box mo tie for me da say